Welcome back. Coming to the NPTEL Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things, Assignment 5. Let's see the answers one by one quickly. First one, Amazon applies the features of IoT to reduce the operational cost and increase the operational latency in warehouse management. The small factory features of Cisco and FNAC include all of the above: failure forecasting, predictive maintenance, JTT. Which of the following does John Deere facilitate? Precision agriculture. Which of the following belongs to the building blocks of generic business model? Revenue generation and margins. The subscription model is capable of generating recurring revenue. And which of the following scenarios can IoT products be used as a proxy to sell another products? Sell products which require triples. Which of the following raise the need of new business models for IoT? All the above. Which of the following is a type of IoT business model? Cloud-based, service-oriented, process-oriented, all of the above. Which of the following are the challenges of security framework in IoT business model? Device level authentication, application security, both A and B. Which of the following are considered as a safety requirements in IIRA infrastructure? All of the above. What is IIRA? Industrial Internet Reference Architecture. IIRA version 1.8 includes three-tier architecture. The gateway mediated edge architecture in IIRA version 1.8 consists of all of the above. How many types of IIRA viewpoints are described by IIC consortium? 4. Execution of tasks in the usage viewpoint of IIRA includes only role. It consists of some implementation maps and performance functional maps, but not logistics or managerial maps. So the answer is role. Now you can submit your answers. Assessment is submitted. Go through the answers slowly. Okay, if you have any doubts in the answers, you can just comment in the comment box. Thank you.